In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge in Adobe Express. Merging in Adobe Express lets you combine images, videos, or design elements into a single polished composition, so everything looks like it belongs together. Whether you're building a thumbnail, a social post, or a quick montage, the process is simple and consistent. Start by opening Adobe Express and either creating a new project or opening an existing one you want to enhance. Pick a canvas size that fits your goal, like a square for social or a widescreen layout for video, so you won't need to reformat later. Next, upload the images, video clips, or objects you want to merge. You can bring in files from your device or cloud storage. Give your assets clear names before you upload to keep things organized as you work. Drag each item onto the canvas and position it where it makes visual sense. Use the on-screen guides to align edges and center key elements. If something feels crowded, leave a bit of breathing room. Spacing helps your design read cleanly at a glance. To control what appears in front or behind, open the Layers panel, or simply right-click an element and choose options like Bring to Front or Send Backward. Think of layers like stacked sheets of paper. The top layer is what you see first. Arrange them until your focal point stands out and supporting elements sit comfortably behind. Refine the blend by adjusting size, opacity, and blending settings. Use corner handles to scale proportionally so images don't look stretched. Lower the opacity of background elements to reduce distraction, and experiment with blending modes to create subtle harmony between overlapping areas. For video clips, preview playback to be sure transitions feel smooth and nothing important is hidden. When everything looks cohesive, it's time to save the merged result. Click Download and choose the format that matches your output. For still designs, PNG or JPG works great. For motion, export as a video. Select a quality setting that fits your needs, then confirm the download to save a single, unified file. Before sharing, give your design a final zoomed-in check to catch rough edges or tiny misalignments. That's the entire merging workflow in Adobe Express. Open your project, upload your assets, place them, order your layers, finesse opacity and blending, and download the final piece. With a few thoughtful adjustments, you'll turn separate parts into one clean professional design.